Hello guys, I am Immanuel Natan Arypratama and I'm student at Mercubuana University Yogyakarta, and the purpose of creating this video is to fulfill my midterm exam project, and the project is to describe about an object or person that I like, and I choose to describe my own laptop. My laptop has a is a Acer Aspire 3 A314 and is black in color, and I booked it around 2020 when the COVID-19 pandemic was high, and I booked it for 5 million rupiah. As you can see, my laptop powered by an AMD Athlon Silver dual core processor with Radeon graphic as graphic card, and then the screen size is a 35.6 centimeter, or in inches is 14 inches, and the screen resolution itself is 1920 times 1080, or we usually call full HD. And my laptop has a 8 gigabyte of RAM, and it has additional slot for solid state drive, uh, which provide faster boot and load time compared to traditional hard drive. And my laptop has also three USB port, two in the in the right side of laptop, and one port is on the left side of laptop. And for internet device connectivity, this laptop features Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and LAN port for LAN network use. So I decided to buy this laptop because it fit my needs for regular typing activities. In addition, the specifications of this laptop are decent enough for everyday computing activities. And for the price, it can still be considered affordable for this laptop specification. Overall, the Acer Aspire 3 A314 is a solid choice for those who need a reliable laptop for everyday use, whether it's for work, school, or entertainment. Its compact size and lightweight design also make it easy to take on the go. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.